Hey there! Welcome to Haymoose Learning Hub. Do you feel like growing subscribers on YouTube is incredibly hard? Especially as a new creator, watching others skyrocket while your channel feels stuck? Don't worry! In today's video, I will share 7 simple and practical tips to help you grow your subscribers fast. These strategies will show results whether you're just starting or have already uploaded a few videos. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Optimize video titles and thumbnails. The first and most critical tip is to optimize your titles and thumbnails. Even if your video is fantastic, if the title and thumbnail aren't compelling, people won't click. Here are some tips. 1. Keep titles simple and catchy. Use numbers, questions, or action words like 10 weight loss tips or why no one watches your videos. 2. Make thumbnails clear and eye-catching. Use bright colors, bold text, and simple images that stand out. 3. Use emotional words. Words like amazing, must-see, and hacks can spark curiosity and drive clicks. Tip 2. Create valuable content. The second tip is to provide valuable content. Why do people subscribe to your channel? Because your content helps or entertains them. Here are some examples of valuable content types. 1. Tutorials. Teach your audience something useful, like how to edit videos on your phone. 2. Entertainment. Make people laugh or relax, such as funny skits or lifestyle vlogs. 3. Informational. Share unique insights or tips, like 5 mistakes new YouTubers must avoid. If your content is helpful or engaging, viewers will want to subscribe. Tip 3. Post videos consistently. The third tip is to stay consistent with your uploads. YouTube's algorithm loves creators who post regularly, as do your viewers. Here's what you can do. 1. Aim to post 1 to 2 videos per week on a consistent schedule. 2. Pick a regular upload time, like every Wednesday and Saturday at 8 p.m. 3. Plan your content ahead of time to avoid missing uploads. Consistency is the key to growth. Stick to a schedule, and you'll see results. Tip 4. Interact and respond to comments. Fourth tip, engage with your audience. Viewers appreciate creators who value their feedback, so reply to comments. 1. Like or reply to every comment to show you care. 2. Ask interactive questions in your videos, such as what's your favorite filming style? 3. Use polls or comments to get ideas for future videos and make viewers feel involved. When your audience feels connected to you, they're more likely to support your channel and share your videos. Tip 5. Promote on social media. Tip 5. Leverage social media to drive traffic to your channel. Many potential subscribers are active on other platforms, so don't hesitate to share your videos there. 1. On Instagram, post a short teaser to encourage people to click the link in your bio. 2. On Twitter, share your video with a catchy question or quote. 3. In Facebook groups or Reddit communities, find communities that match your niche and share your content to attract like-minded viewers. Remember, promoting isn't just about asking for views. It's about letting people know how great your content is. Tip 6. Use YouTube Analytics. Tip 6. Learn to use YouTube Analytics. The data will help you understand your audience and improve your content strategy. 1. Check your audience data to find out their age, location, and when they're most active. 2. Look at video performance to see which videos are doing well and why. 3. Analyze click-through rates and watch time to determine if your thumbnails and content keep viewers engaged. Numbers don't lie. Use this information to make better decisions and grow your channel. Tip 7. Add subscribe prompts to your videos. The final and most straightforward tip, ask viewers to subscribe. 1. Naturally mention in your videos, like, if you're enjoying this, don't forget to subscribe. 2. Add animated subscribe buttons or pop-ups to remind viewers to take action. 3. Give them a reason to subscribe, such as, by subscribing, you'll never miss my latest tips and tricks. Many viewers love your content but need a gentle nudge to hit that subscribe button. And that's it. These are my 7 tips to grow your YouTube subscribers fast. I hope you found them helpful. If you have any questions about growing your channel, let me know in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more YouTube growth strategies. See you next time.